All right, everyone, good morning. So I know it's been a very long time since I've posted a video, but I'm sorry. I kind of fell off the wayside. I've not fell off the wagon. I just fell off the wayside as far as making videos. Um, I've been dealing with a lot with my foot, so I just haven't quite felt like making videos. I'm sitting outside currently with my dog. I felt like I could use the natural lighting. And it's just nice out here. It's like 8:30 in the morning, and it's a beautiful day. Um, I do live around a lot of trees and woods, and I figured I'd let my dog, you know, see some of the nature and sit out here. He likes to run around. Um, anyhow, the reason why I'm making this video, it's not going to be edited. It's going to be a one and done. Um, this one is not going to be edited, but there is some stuff I wanted to talk about. Um, as far as my diet goes, I have been doing great with eating. Okay, I have been doing great with eating. Um, there has been a few days that I have slipped up. We have not ate out. My husband and I have not ate out. I did go visit my sister, and we cheated. She made me cheat. Um, no, she didn't make me cheat, but we went to the casino and we cheated. We went to a buffet, and I will say that I regretted it. Um, I felt bad, like just bad in general. My body felt bad. The sugar on my tongue, I could feel it. So I didn't feel great. I did not feel great. Man, the sun is peeking in now. Whew. Into my eyes. Anyhow, but yeah, I didn't feel great. Um, as far as my body, you know what I mean? Like, and it didn't even taste all that great because now I've been eating, fresh and a lot of fresh veggies and fruits and lean meats. Uh, so my number one problem is moving more because of my foot. Um, at this particular time, when I walk, it hurts my foot. Um, I do take my dog on a lot of walks. He loves going for walks. Shouldn't even say that. But anyhow, Loki, what you doing? He's just laying back there. Um, but I do take my dog for walks. And then we did buy a treadmill. So I really need to get on to the treadmill a lot more. But so the exciting news that I'm excited for is that I finally got approved for my weight loss surgery. Not that I finally, but I guess it's been a long road. The reason being is because of, the COVID. It's hard to get into doctors, and um, the spreading out of every test that I had to do. Um, and, just getting into, I had to get a sleep apnea machine, and then I had to have 30 days of this and 30 days of that, and, all the testing that I had to do to get approved. So anyhow, my surgery date is scheduled for June 30th, which is coming up rather quick. I just got my surgery date the other day, and I'm excited. Now, I do know I'm not, I got a head on my shoulders. I do know that this is not a magic fix. I do know that I'm not going to get the surgery and the weight's not just going to fall off. Me just be able to sit here and eat what I want and sit and not do anything, right? I do know it's not a magic fix, and I could still gain weight back. So I do know that. But I feel like my relationship with food has gotten 100 times better. 100 times better. My portion control has gotten so much better. Since seeing a dietitian and all that. Not that I didn't know before, but just the mindset, okay? Like my mindset with food. when I was younger, we didn't have, the food. My mom was a single mom and she worked really hard, even if she had to walk to a food pantry that was miles away. But, there were times that we just had to eat what was in front of us. And, it was a lot of processed food. And, that's what was affordable. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what was affordable. The pot pies, the burritos, the snack cakes. That's what was affordable. So that's what we ate. It wasn't, fresh vegetables and lean meats. So as an adult, when I made my own money and became successful, it was, I can afford food now, so I'm going to have it, I could go to fast food restaurants, or I could go to a sit-down restaurant and I could order whatever I wanted. There was food accessible to me at all times, and I could have as much of it as I wanted. But I was also working very strenuous jobs and still keeping the weight on, or piling it on. Well, I can't say piling it on because I have been obese all my life. In high school, I was almost 300 pounds. I probably was 300 pounds. I don't know. I didn't weigh myself. But, middle school, same way. I mean, I was at least 250 in middle school. Elementary, I was probably, I don't know, almost 200 pounds. Like, I don't remember a time not being obese. And that was due to the food choices that we had to have because that's what was affordable. So, at this point in time, like, I just need a push. You know what I'm saying? I needed something, you know what I mean? Like, I've tried all the diets. I did successfully lose almost 80 pounds and keep it off for 7 or 8 years. But then it just came back during, the pandemic after my hysterectomy. So I just need a tool to help me in that, So yeah, my surgery is June 30th. I plan on making videos. My PreOp Diet starts on June 16th. I will be making videos of that for you guys, for anybody who wants to see a pre-op diet for the VSG surgery. Sorry. I'm getting the gastric sleeve, yes. So the pre-op diet for the gastric sleeve surgery, VSG, because I've looked on the internet, I've watched a ton of videos. Look at my baby. He's so gorgeous. Anyhow, I've looked on the internet for that. I've seen a lot of post-ops. I've seen a lot of what I wish I knew before surgeries. A lot of that type of stuff. And they're very helpful. They are. But for me, I want to document my journey. I want to know what I'm feeling physically. I want to know what I'm feeling emotionally. I want to know how it helps me. I want to document that. So I want to know what tools help me. I want to know what I need or what I needed. So if it helps me, I want it to help somebody else. Even if I help one person, I don't care if 5 people watch the videos. It's not for money. It's not for any of that. It is for my documentation. If anybody else watches the videos, it doesn't matter. It would be nice to help one person, but if it doesn't, it's just basically for me. But I do hope that somebody does, because I do want to help somebody. But like I said, June 16th is when I start my post-op. Sorry. my pre-op diet, and I will be documenting that. And then also I do have a webinar or a Zoom meeting on the 2nd of June to go over whatever. So I will update and let everybody know what that's about, just because I want to go through the process. My surgery is in Cleveland and I live in Indiana, so I have to go there for 10 days. I do want to document the entire process. I mean, obviously I can't videotape the surgery, but myself before the surgery, right after the surgery, my recovery days, the days after, how I'm feeling physically, mentally, and emotionally, how I recover, all that. So I hope that somebody goes on this journey with me. I hope I can get some support, some mental support, because it's not an easy fix. And I know that. I just need an outlet. I just want to obviously document my journey. And I'm ready. I am ready. Like I said, I'm 42 years old and I'm ready. I am ready. And it's not to look good, because I don't care. I have my soulmate. I'm not here to look good for the neighbors. I'm not here to look good for the person in the grocery store that cares what I look like, because I don't care. It's to live longer for my boy and my family and my husband. That's what it's for. It's not vanity reasons, because I could care less. I've lived in this body for 42 years. And now the pain and everything is taking over. And I know that if I don't do this, it's only going to get worse. So I don't know. I'm sure other people can relate to what I'm feeling. So with that being said, I really want to take people along with me on this journey, just to show and document everything that's going to happen. And so with that, my friends, I'm going to say, have a great day. And you know what? Be positive and think something positive for yourself, so you can do something for somebody else tomorrow.